The Best of Jamaica 2020 New Jersey Results Show. We asked and you responded. So here are the results of the Best of Jamaica in New Jersey for 2020.
This is Nigel. With the new Digicel International app, he can connect with loved ones in so many more ways. Now, a click with Digicel International is a click to more. It's a click that gives support from afar. It's a click that sends money for the essentials. It's a click that pays bills easily to keep the lights on and the water running. It's a click that brings you closer to them and brings home to you. Download the new Digicel International app or visit digicelinternational.com.
Listen, man, what's the best local Jamaican patty shop bakery? And guess who again?
I know. You say it.
Golden Cross. Boy, Golden Cross all over the place. All over the... Is this a family business or is it just an enterprise?
It is. It is. And I know...
It's a franchise. It's a franchise. Because I want to reach out to them for a story on Bar Talk once we get a chance. So Golden Cross, if you're listening, big up, or we want to talk to you. Where's the best place to buy Jamaican grocery? And it is Tropical Sun Supermarket. Tropical Sun Supermarket, big up. The people love you. Them say, boy, you are that's the place to go. And folks, if you hear your event, your place or your establishment mentioned, feel honored, right? Feel honored because it means that the people you serve are saying that, listen, you are being consistent, you get good service, you get good pricing, you do good things. So let's keep it the same way. So moving right along, what is the best local Jamaican restaurant in New Jersey? And the response is Sunsplash Bakery Takeout and Juice Bar. That's a long one. Sunsplash Bakery Takeout and Juice Bar. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, moving right along, the Jamaican Caribbean annual event that you missed attending the most due to COVID-19. And once again, it's the annual South Jersey Caribbean Festival.
Visit Jamaicans.com for more results on the Best of Jamaica 2020 in other regions of the USA, Toronto, London, and Jamaica.
Since the 90s, Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union have been connecting families at home and abroad. In the 2000s, we did the same, linking generous senders to grateful receivers. And in the 2010s, reaching people in every nook and cranny. Now in the 2020s, when loved ones are forced to be apart, we're here, keeping you connected. Grace Kennedy Money Services and Western Union. 30 years of helping you connect the dots.